So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So let's start.
Cry when you don't get your own way. A puzzled head, and then straight to bed. When the waters are to here, it's rising, but I'm still glad you're here. Let it flow with you. Won't you accept it and lead me? Find some new way. It's dark in your head. You suffered for too long. Oh, don't forget to fall. Cause if it's the one, you know I don't sing along. You think you're one world, and I don't hold the flame. But why I should hide behind you? Take me as granted. I know you cast you me. I know you shied away, but still thinking lazy. The water's up to here. It's rising, but I'm still glad you're here. I'm sorry, such sorrow. I didn't realize the way your head was turned. So weak to stand alone.